4 to the body, 2 to the head.
All right, shooter, load and make ready. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload and show clear. If clear, slide forward. Hold the trigger. Holster. Range is clear. 794.
794.
Gotta shoot targets. Or a deal.
Sorry.
Some things to keep in mind. Make sure you keep your muzzle down range when you're moving up range. And also when you're reloading. What's way off?
Range.
9, 7, 5.
Told you so.
No,
2, 4, 6. Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload and show clear. If clear, slide forward. Pull the trigger. Holster. Range is clear. 3923.
Start here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, reload. 2.
So is that like 50 seconds?
4, 6.
Shooter, load and make ready. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. are finished, unload and show clear. If clear, slide forward. Pull the trigger. Holster. Range is clear. 2976.
2976.
First string is 5 rounds freestyle.
5 rounds freestyle.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Make ready for your second string.
Did I fire once already?
Second string is
One hand.
one hand. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Make ready for your third string. This will be 5 rounds, reload 5 rounds.
5 rounds, reload 5 rounds.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Make ready for your fourth string.
4 to the body, 1 to the head.
4 to the body, 1 to the head. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Ah!
Where'd it go?
Must have went high.
If you're finished, unload and show clear. If clear, slide forward. Pull the trigger. Holster. 676. Now count. Green clear.
I think I went high.
It's 25 rounds, right?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Down. As long as it fits in the box, it makes weight.
Down 10?
7.
Oh.
7. Oh, and then at 5.
And 12.
Known as the other 7. Yeah, right. Down 7 on paper.